Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen California Ocean. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 204 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox working with the 4MOTION 4-wheel drive system. This example comes finished in the solid paint colour Ascot grey. Some of the exterior features on this California include the LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. The vehicle also benefits from having a set of front parking sensors. Down below, the camper sits on 18-inch Palmerston alloy wheels which come in a silver and a black colour combination. The camper comes with an electro-hydraulic operated pop-up roof as well as a roll-out awning finished in a black coloured housing. Towards the rear of the vehicle there is a tailgate with a heated rear window, and located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera. This paired with the rear parking sensors helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into some storage space in the rear of the vehicle. Down below we have plenty of storage space there. The multi-flex board can be lifted up, providing storage for large items. Over on the left hand side we have a few shelves as well as some hanging space. Access into your gas bottle storage can also be found through this shelf, and on the outside here is the outlet for the outdoor shower. Taking a look into the rear passenger area, we have a twin-seater passenger bench finished in the Art Bellers interior trim. The vehicle also comes with everything that you might need on your camping trip away, such as a fridge/cool box, a twin hob burner, as well as a sink with a foldable tap. There is also this folding table that proves very handy as a kitchen prep space or an eating area. Once the rear passenger bench has been folded down, there is a spacious 2-berth sleeping area. As well as this, there's also a comfort mattress provided. Up front in the driver's cab area we have 2 singular seats, both finished in the Art Bellers seat trim upholstery. Both of them come with 2 armrests as well as having a swivelling function. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash there is an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. The system also comes with the Discover Media Navigation Pro, which allows you to view the navigation on the screen as well as on the digital cockpit. Users can also utilise the App Connect feature, allowing them to connect their smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Beneath this are the climate controls for the vehicle. This California Ocean comes with 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning, as well as being a dual zone climate control system. Over on the left we have the buttons for the start-stop, parking distance control as well as park assist, and just beneath this we have a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points, which is handy for keeping those smart devices charged while on the go. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel, as well as a digital cockpit system that provides a more unique and customizable driving experience. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.